Software. Software is a set of instruction or command that tell a user how to do and what to do. Type of software, system software, and second application software. System software. System software is the type of software that is the interface between application software and the system. Low level language are used to write the system software. System software maintain the system resources and give the path for application software to run. Without system software, the system cannot run. It is general purpose software. System software. Feature of system software. System software is written in a low level language. The size of the system software is smaller. System software is complex to understand. System software is present near hardware components. Application software. Application software is the type of software that run as per user request. It run on the platform which is provided by software. High level language are used to rewrite the application software. It's a specific purpose software. Feature of application software. Application software is written in a high level language. Application software require more storage space than system software. Only a single task is performed by each application software. Application software is easy to build a comparison to system software. Basic unit of data storage. Bit. A bit is the smallest unit of data that a computer can process and store. The state is represented by a single binary value 0 or 1. Byte, the basic unit of information in computer storage and processing. A byte is consists of 8 adjacent binary digits. Each of consists of 0 or 1.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक करें।